Okay, let's do another little recording here and take a look and see what we got. We got Dogecoin on the Binance charting Sunday morning, 220, 22, Sunday morning. And we're looking at Dogecoin on the Binance charting here. And we're using the 1 minute time frame to see it begin to turn higher. And we look at the 3 minute. There's the 3 minute where we see a little dip here overnight. Hopefully this is a triple bottom around the 1350 area. And then we go to the 15 minute where we can see the pullback over the last week or so. And there's our, hopefully 3 bottoms have come in, and hopefully head higher. I keep, sound like a broken record here. I keep saying that. Hopefully we head higher, because Dogecoin just isn't heading higher yet. So we need to see Dogecoin move much higher. Bitcoin, basically the same thing. Bitcoin on the 1 minute chart is turning around this morning. There's the 1 minute, the 3 minute, nice little breakout, and the 5 minute. It's, once it gets above, back above 38 here, 38.6 maybe. Should have free range to run higher. Here's a Dogecoin on the Robinhood charting. Shows it's short term heading higher. There's the 1 day, the 1 week. You can see the downtrend in the last week. Yeah, if we look at stocks, Zillow has done a nice little bounce. I've been waiting for this bounce on Zillow. I bought it in through here, maybe through here, 62, 61, and it's meandering, pulled back, and finally found its footing. It's about last week or so. Bounced higher, got above 60, did a little pullback, consolidating, and hopefully it's going to keep moving higher. Let's look at Tesla. See what Tesla's doing. Tesla has topped out at 1200 back here in November, and now it's pulled back, come right up to the resistance, pulled back, and now we're right at
Fall in love with the highly awarded L certified by Lexus, a collection of pre-owned vehicles exclusively at your Lexus dealer.
wow, sorry about that. Don't even know where that came from. That was awkward. So anyhow, let's look at maybe the oils. ERX oils had a run up, and it's did a little pullback at 43 there. Let's look at real estate. Real estate would be a realty company. It's got resistance up here at 72 and support down here. It looks like it's actually broken through some of its support line, 66. Good company, stable sales, stable dividend, good buy right there probably. What else can we look at? Kroger, the food company. Kroger, they're doing nice. Pulled back here in October. I was following it back when it started in the 20s and 30s, and now it's up to 45. And making a nice channel in through here. What else? Chevron's come up a nice channel up here. Bounced off resistance, pulled back to 130 or so. What else? General Mills up to here. Resistance at 70, pulled back to 68. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola's knocking on resistance, heading higher. Nice movement up here in Coca-Cola. Let's look at Pepsi. Pepsi, starting to double top and it's pulled back. The other, I'm thinking of the internet, called Open. It's a internet online house sales, and it's same as following the same trend as Zillow in a sense. Did a big pullback, another drop, and now it's regaining its footing, and it's starting to bounce and head higher. Open, OPEN. And then let's go look at Zillow just right now to see. It's very similar chart pattern as Zillow. AMZN, Amazon. No, Amazon's on a channel down, to be honest with you. It's hit resistance twice and kind of pulled back, so that's interesting. Google. Let's see, Google. What is this? GOOG. Should be Google. Google is finding resistance at 3,000 and pulled back to 2609. It could be a interesting one. Good place to watch that. Google. TTD is another ad sales internet. Topped out at 110. It's been on a channel consolidating down. Let's see what else. Kellogg's. There's Kellogg's. So a lot of activity, a lot of movement in different companies, just to see what's going on out there. See Wendy's. Look at Wendy's for fun. Wendy's at 22. Okay, let's go back and look at Dogecoin. See what it's done since we've left it for a few minutes, and it's trying to move higher. 13.77. So trying to make a little move. Bitcoin, same thing, making a little move higher. So that's nice to see. Go to the 15-minute, and that's a nice move through that trend line, and that would be the same as, let's say, well, back here it failed. Back here it failed. I mean, it ran up a bit and failed. So, we need to see it. If you go to the 1 day, you can see the long downtrend. That's what we need to break. And there's the 3 day. There's the high of 73 cents. And the green line here you see is still turning down long term. We need that to look like this over here. So are we still running here? Okay, so anyhow, yeah, so long term, can't say it's on an upward trend. Um, there's the 12-hour, and you see that green line is basically still long term trying to flatten out. 6 hour, you know, it's up here, it's here, lower highs, lower highs. So that's not a positive movement. Short term, short term, it's doing a bounce upward. But anyhow, we'll just watch it today and see what it does. Bitcoin, kind of in the same boat. If you go back to the 3 day, you'll see Bitcoin topped, pulled back, and I wouldn't say it's on an upward trend. Not long term. Still could come down and consolidate in this area before it heads higher. It's got support right around here, 30,000. So, happy Sunday. Keep watching, keep seeing what you can do, keep following the market. Look for stocks to buy for the weekend, for the week, next week. Again, I'm watching Zillow. I'm watching O. Actually, I like that spot on O even below support. 66 is a great company. Solid sales, dividend. As far as I know, it's a great company. I haven't done immediate, following it immediately, like what's going on currently. But a downgrade. But it's a long-term good company. They buy and hold real estate and rent it out to theaters, FedEx, Walgreens, and that way these Walgreens and FedExes don't have to buy the property. They just lease it from Realty Income. So interesting play right there for next week, possibly to add to or get into. Okay, well, enough rambling on for now. Let's go back to Dodge and the 1 minute 13.74. So good luck.